It's a 2014 Chrysler 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather sports seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Brad Deery Auto Discount Center. Stop in and see us today at 112 North 2nd Street in Maquoketa, Iowa, just 1 mile east of Highway 61 on Highway 64.